channel. Today's topic is Google Meet. So today we'll discuss about Google Meet, but Gmail is new feature about this Google Meet. Gmail's new feature. Gmail is now when you log in your Gmail account, then you have seen this Google Meet option is there, and from there Google Meet you can access Google Meet from there. And there is two options. One is invite friends and invite and join. So first option is join. You can, if anyone send you to join Google Meet, then you can join. If you log in your Google account, then you can join through this, from this code. Whenever anyone send you to join Google Meet, then you can join from your Gmail account. Also you can invite friends to join in your Google Meet account, Google Meet conference, video conference. So from Gmail you can access Google Meet, and you can connect your friends through this Google Meet, through this video conference, through this Gmail account. So first you just log in your Gmail account, and then you have seen this Google Meet option is there, and this is the new feature. Google added this new feature in this Gmail, and the Gmail Meet is added in Google Meet. Gmail, after the global pandemic and the global lockdown situation, and to compete with these other video conferencing apps like Zoom conferencing Meet app, and also Facebook Messenger Room, and also all others, the video conferencing app, Google Meet is totally free for everyone. So now everyone is access Google Meet globally free, and 250 people can join simultaneously in this group call. So this is the new feature of Google Meet, and from this Google Meet you can make group conference, group meeting through this Google Meeting app, and it is absolutely free. So now it is free. So Google is added it Gmail. So before that, Google Meet, to join Google Meet you need a microphone, a mobile number to join this Google Meet. But now no mobile phone is required, only email address is required to join in Google Meet. And now you can access Google Meet through this Google Gmail account. From your Gmail account, when you sign in, then you just get options, this Google Meet, and from there you can join, or you can invite friends to connect Google Meet. And if you are using official work to your colleagues, or if you are teaching with your friends, with your students, or chatting with your friends, every time you need to group conference, video calling, and Google Meet is there. Google Meet is totally free, and you can make video conferencing through this Gmail account, from your Gmail account. So it is so easy. So today I'll show you how can you connect Gmail Google Meet through this Gmail account. So in this so today I will show you in this video. But before start, I want to say, if you are new in our channel, to subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. And if you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Let's go to the computer screen to see the Google Meeting app. How can you access this from your Gmail account? So go to the... Okay friends, now you will see the Gmail's new feature, Google Meet, in the Gmail account, in your Gmail account. So there is the home page of Google. Now you have seen this is the Gmail. Now I open my Gmail account. So this is my Gmail, and there you have seen there is one option, Google Meeting, start a meeting, see, and join a meeting. So when you start a meeting, then you can just click on this, and you have seen there is one window, pop-up window is come, and something is wrong with your camera or microphone. So microphone is there, but no camera is connected through in my computer. So there is showing this message. You just, and so there is no mic and no camera. But whatever, when you connect the webcam or your camera in your computer or your laptop, then this message is not showing. And you have seen there is options to connect your camera and webcam, camera and microphone through this Google Meet. And now you have meeting ready. So when you have seen this pop-up camera, and now you just see there is the one options, meeting ready, Meet Google, and here is meet.google.com/kkw-vexu- UGN. So this is the code. You have seen this is the code. You cannot connect here from, but if you just join now, so join now, you have seen this copy joining information. So you just copy this code when you invite someone in your group, in your meeting. So when you add people, just copy this, or you just send this message copying information, or this joining information has been copied. Just click once here and add people. When you enter the email, there is one options. Suppose I want this person, and send an email. So invite, just send an email. He just got this email. So this is simple way to connect, to invite your friends. So just send email. The mail is sent, and invitation sent to your friend, to that they can join this. So I want to say that when you just click on this start a meeting, then you have seen this join now. Okay, now click on this join now. You have seen this is the code. You personally send this code, or you can just copy and add people, and from there when you just click on this, when you just click on your friends list, from your friend any data, then you just, there's this information, this data, this link, whatever I have seen, this is the code, it is sent to your friend, and he just click on that and join it. So it is very simple way to start a meeting. And when anyone send you to join a meeting, then you just join a meeting. See, to join a meeting, enter the code provided by the organizer. So who organized this meeting? He sent, or your friends, your manager, your teacher, anyone. If you are a student, then your teacher is send this code to you. If you are a colleague, office staff, then the manager or supervisor is send to you this code. Or if you are your friend's group admin, then you send. If you are organizing a meeting with your friends and chatting with your friends, then you just connect this, copy this code, and just paste this. Not total. This is the link. This is not the total link. The code, only the code. When you just click on the start meeting, see, there is the code, dismiss. You have joined this, and you have get this code. So this is the only code. Just copy. Okay, and now join the meeting, and see, this is the code, and join. This is the right code, right format. So this is taken, but this is not the code. This is my code. When you send anyone to invite in your friends to join in your group, then you just copy the link and mail it, or invite them from your Gmail account, or you can just personally send this code to attend this video conference, or add this, contact this group, add with this group conference. So this is very simple. You can start a meeting, or you can join a meeting. So when anyone start a meeting, then when anyone can start a meeting, then it requires the microphone and webcam to join it, and just present. So present meeting now, and your entire screen, you can share it from there. You can just copy or share it through your friends. Not present, no, you are presenting. So in this way you can start a meeting, or you can get this meeting, you can join this meeting. So this is very simple way. Join. If you join this, so join is ready. But whatever my computer webcam is not ready and microphone is not ready, so it is showing this messages. But when you just connect with your friends with this microphone and webcam, then there is no messages like that. And more options, settings, microphone. If you just going to this from there, microphone blocked, and video, no video camera, and general report. So everything is fine. You just, if there is microphone and the webcam, then you can just click on this join now, and your meeting start with your friends, with your colleagues.
or with your students. So it is very simple and it's totally free. Whatever, you also get this from this Google Apps Center. You just see there is a one meeting option. You just click on that. So Google Meet is open, and from there start a meeting. Everything is easy, but this is very handy because it is in this inbox, like in this Gmail. We have see this Meet New. So this is the new feature of Google Meet, and from there is this is also, you have seen this screen. There is no microphone and webcam, so it is not meeting is ready. But this is the code, meet.google.com and after that that is the code. You send this code to your friends, your colleagues, your students to join in your group. And if you get this code from your manager, supervisor or teacher, then you can put it and join. So this is very simple and very easiest way to join and start chatting, start group conference to your friends and office purpose. So you can use it very easily, and it is totally free. You can add 250 people simultaneously, your friends. So this is in this way you can use this Google Meet. And this, I think this information is very helpful. And to compete with this Facebook's Messenger Room and cloud, mainly Zoom cloud meeting app, which is downloaded in this lockdown situation, lots of download in Google Zoom's cloud meeting app. So to compete with this Zoom, mainly Google Meet is totally free, and now it is totally free for everyone, and anyone can start from anywhere through this Gmail account. And I think you will understand. And whatever, when you just start a meeting, see, then from your account you can also record your meeting. Whatever, I cannot see detail, I cannot show you because my webcam is not running. But if there is everything, you can record your meeting, you can share your meeting through your other colleagues. Everything you can do it from this Google Meeting. So it is very helpful app, and you can, if you were need for any good conference for office purpose, or you want to teach someone online if you are a teacher, then it is very helpful to use this Google Meet. And from Gmail you can do it. It is very easily you can do it. So that is our topics today, and thank you for watching, and hope you will like this video.
Friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know the detail about how can you use Google Meet on Gmail. So how can you connect Google Meet and use Google Meet, invite your friends and join this Google Meet through your Google Gmail account. So this is very simple steps, and you can now know the detail about this. Hope you'll enjoy this video and like this video. And thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.